guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Riddhi and I basically review apps. Today we're going to be reviewing another one. This one's called Facetune. If you don't know what Facetune is, it's an app to use to retouch, edit, and enhance your pictures or selfies. So let's get started. This app was actually created by Lightricks, which is an Israel-based startup company, in November of 2016. There are two versions of this app. We're going to be reviewing the more simpler version of this app called Facetune 2. This app just has some of the VIP features, while Facetune has all of them. The normal Facetune with the VIP features is $3.99 on iOS and Android, and Facetune 2 is free on iOS and Android. So there are three features that I really like about this app. The first one is called Retouch. Now in this one, you can smooth, you can make your pimples kind of disappear, then you can actually whiten your teeth or the model's teeth like this, and you can, there's a scale at the bottom from 0 to 100 and you can adjust. I'm just going to put it at 100. The next one is called Paint. Using this one, you can contour, paint your lips or your eyebrows or anything like that. So I'm just going to paint her lips a tone of red to just show you what it does. Then the third one that I really like is called, Defocus. Now defocus, to use this, basically you can use this anywhere to make your pictures look more professional, but let's say you're standing in front of a crowd and there are a bunch of faces and you just want your face to be visible. You can use this to blur out the other faces. So I really like this. So there is a lot of stuff to talk about Facetune, but one thing that I really like is there are tutorials which you can actually use to know how to use every single one of these tools, the precise or the correct way, or the way that's going to make the picture look flawless. There's nothing negative to really talk about this app, but one thing that I don't really like is the cool features are reserved for like VIP only, just for Facetune. So that's what I don't like, and I would like Facetune to of course make more of their features available to people who get Facetune too. So in conclusion, I would not regularly use this, maybe sometimes here and there, but not use this extensively because I'm not into enhancing, retouching, and editing my pictures that much or posting them on social media. However, if you are, this app is great and you can use this, but remember not to be fake or anything like that. But of course, this app is of course great, and as I said, there's nothing negative to say about this. It's great. And you can, in a couple of clicks, you can make your picture look flawless and picture perfect. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. And make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!